Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 2 litre GLC300 MHEV AMG Line Premium Plus G-Tronic, which is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in obsidian black metallic. To start off with, then you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 20-inch AMG 5 wide-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the obsidian black exterior colour. You also have your aluminium running boards located along the side of the vehicle, making gaining entry and leaving the vehicle even easier than before. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you could easily fit in a large size suitcase, a pushchair or perhaps even a weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find your black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your flat bottom multifunctional steering wheel, and as we pan round again you can see that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle does in fact have a sliding sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. Both the front seats are electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've done this you are able to save it, as they are also memory seats as well as being heated. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your cruise control with speed limiter, volume controls and of course your hands-free options, allowing you to do several things via your fingertips. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 44,162 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls. You also have external media, allowing you to listen to your own music whilst on the go, along with your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. You also have your dynamic drive select, which has a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. Along with this, you also have your 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the car, whether this is via the rear view, the front view or even the side view, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving on to your climate control, you can easily adjust the temperature, airflow as well as airflow direction easily, as it is a dual zone climate control. Both you and your passenger travelling with you can be kept at comfortable temperatures. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.